What's up, guys? It's Cole.
Holden.
Nick.
And we did some mods to the S15. We did some weight reduction. No headlights. Well, there's no. I think they call that a bed. I call it weight reduction. Call it weight reduction. Fire it up, Ricky. Hey, you see that? This is called race truck. We're gonna give you the nick. You going around the block.
All right.
You ready?
Bye, Dad.
Oh, mirror for protection.
We got the mirror. All right. Oh.
Gotta turn on the left turn signal to go right.
We're going, Dad.
Can't see where I'm going here.
Oh my God.
I can't see.
Hey,
Front, Ricky.
we have oil pressure.
Oil pressure!
Woo!
I kids. Oh, God.
See that, kids? That's straight derby.
No seats, no bed, no turn signals, tail lights, no headlights.
Look at that back up job.
Looks like.
Hey, for not being able to see, no seats, no mirrors. That's golden.
Sir, how was your ride?
Oh, it was actually pretty comfortable in the back.
It's riding like a Cadillac. Straight Cadillac.
More like a lumber wagon.
Bro.
I don't know what just happened, but I was just walking over here. It was all fine, all dandy. And when you look outside, really windy. Just came out of nowhere. Temperature just dropped about 20 degrees. I don't know, guys. Some sketchy stuff going on here. Nevertheless. Granted, it's rusty metal, and that's probably why I have all these burns now.
What's the prognosis, Doc?
All of it.
It's not going anywhere.
Granted, that's
It's
not
not
my
going
best job,
anywhere.
but without being able to clean all the metal properly,
Anything you like to say?
can't weld.
Anything you like to say?
I really can't weld.
I can kinda. I'm a welder in training, pretty much, yeah.